DIP panel is a socket for mounting and dismounting the chips in the DIP housing. Mounting the chips into the panel notably facilitates the radio technical device's installation process, extends the chip operation time, as well as protects the component from overheating and outlets deformation during installation. The panel is in solid contact with the chip outlets, even when the installed component is repeatedly replaced. The outlets are tin-plated, which ensures the harmless joint soldering with the electronic board inlet. DIP panels are used in electronics for chip testing as well for chip installation in order to prevent the component from overheating when soldering. Let us focus on Collet DIP panels with the circular cross-section docking slots for chips mounting, the most popular type of transition panels. The samples of such panels vary in docking height, which is the height of the contact block. There are single-row and two-row DIP panels that have a different number of contact pins as well as different docking widths of the contact rows. The Collet panel's special characteristic is that unlike regular DIP panels, they have a tighter connection with the chip outlets. Imagine how useful Collet DIP panel would be when testing or replacing the chip with a large number of contact pins in a complex radio technical device, in case it doesn't correspond to the technical characteristics. Multiple ejection of the chip out of the panel won't take you long, while keeping safe the physical structure of the panel contact block. Some of the product samples were provided by Confly Electronic, a well-known producing company. The 28-pin narrow Collet DIP panel is used for DIP chips with a narrow two-row outlets deposition, 7.62 mm. The distance pitch between the pin contacts is 2.54 mm. The overall height of the contact block is 17.78 mm. The 40-pin wide Collet DIP panel is used for DIP chips with a wide two-row outlets deposition, 15.2 mm. The distance pitch between the pin contacts is 2.54 mm. Here are some of the panel's features. The number of pins, 28 and 40. The pin material, phosphate bronze. The pin covering, first layer nickel, second layer tin. Housing material, thermoplastic, reinforced with glass fiber. Current carrying rating, 1 ampere. Maximum voltage is 500 watts. Insulation resistance over 1000 mega ohm. Contact resistance, 0.02 ohm. Operating temperature range is from -55 to +105 Celsius. Nowadays, electronics is stuffed with expensive chips, but no man can ensure its durable and impeccable service. Sometimes there are cases when it is necessary for the chip to be fixed with prior ascertainment of the failure cause. Here, the transition chip panel will free you of extra expenses.